Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we are at my Astra van and its restoration, how it's coming on. So far today, as you will see, I've been working on the underside of the bonnet, which I got second hand from a friend of mine on the Astra G Owners Club. If you look in here, I've just been filling in where all the rust where all the rust damage was on the new bonnets. Not very professionally, I must admit, but it's better than it was. And if we zoom out a little here, I will just show you a bit more around here. This is a new bonnet, as I said. I mean, fair enough, the paintwork's got more chips than a takeaway, but as you can see, at least there isn't a steaming great rust hole in the front. Just leave that down there for a moment. There we go, let's show you the rest of it. Round we go. We've even got a proper badgeless grill, which is a huge bonus. And also, the more studious of you will have remembered that my old door trim was ripped, but down to my good friends at HI Autos, and I also picked this up from Jordan at the same time I picked the bonnet up. I got some new door trim, and we adjusted the window crank so it doesn't rip this new trim. So that's all installed, and that's perfect, rip-roaring ready to go. And to top it off, the pièce de résistance, what makes a van a van. I got a little, well, a rather large mat, but it turns out that mat was for an estate rather than a van. But it's certainly okay. I've managed to clean it up a bit. It looks a lot better in here now. All the stuff I need. The oil and air filter you see there are for when I give it a service next week. Okay, so it's let's hope I have the same pulling capabilities as this tow bar. And already you've noticed I've put a new aerial in it. It's got two aerials because it's an ex-police van. Of course I don't have the radio for that, but the next job I've got is the passenger mirror. As you can see there, it is quite heavily damaged. But all is not lost, and I can see if I can find one of those on Facebook Marketplace or eBay or anywhere the hell else I can find. Possibly even a scrapyard. Okay, this is James Braithwaite signing out for now, and I shall see you in the next one.